Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark. If you're new here, thank you very much for the click. Hey, subscribe, comment below. Love to meet new people. To all my returnees, merci beaucoup. Certainly appreciate the support. Today we are unboxing first impression on the brand of Ralph Lauren, and this one called Polo Red Intense. Now this one, a little bit of a cult following since it was discontinued. People absolutely love this, says it's the best from the red line. The red line is huge. So this is my first dip into it, so we'll see how it influences my taste to go back to the red line and try out some new ones. So this one, blind buy, discontinued, highly sought after Polo Red Flanker. They do look interesting, the Polo Red Flankers, and I understand like Ralph Lauren has its limitations as a brand. Yeah, I'm not going to get niche type quality or high-end quality out of the line, but you may get surprised on the utility of these fragrances. A lot of Polo brand fragrances have a lot of utility to them. You know, very versatile, easy to wear. You can dress them up or down, very much more of a casual type of brand, but yeah, I bought this and I knew like it was online for really high prices, like way above retail now. This thing is crazy, and I found one for retail. And this is not the big bottle. I don't know if they had a big bottle. This is just a 75 ml bottle. So we'll see. I paid retail for it, so it's not too crazy on my bank account. And we'll see if this one actually brings me back. This one, from what I know, the big appeal to this one is the cranberry note, and I think it's in a lot of these. There is coffee in this, and that's one thing that I looked at the note breakdown from the brand, and I'm sorry, I'm kind of trailing off, but they put everything red. Red coffee, red leather, red woods, I guess. They're really throwing out that red theme. So let's start unboxing. Let's take a look and delve into this one. And I like buying these discontinued fragrances for an okay price, like just to see. So I'm looking forward to this one just to see. And yeah, I just got the little bottle, the little 75 ml. That's all you need. I think they sell 120. They have some weird, and I appreciate that actually. They have bigger bottle size instead of the standard 150. They go 75 and 125. So you get an extra 25 ml out of the bottles. Not that I need an extra 25 ml. Well, you know. So let's sniff this one. It's gonna be my scent of the day. I'm not wearing actually anything today. I'm wearing the wrong shirt. I should be wearing a red shirt with this thing. But let's sniff it out. Oh. Yeah, this is, you gotta let it, this is very, very synthetic off the top. Maybe I put too much on. Oh, this, you know what this reminds me of? And I think the fragrance I'm thinking of had rhubarb in it, so it's kind of a different red. Dude, this smells like B-Men from Mugler, a little bit. So, obviously, not as, you know, everybody's talking about this cranberry note. It's a very, I'm kind of disappointed, honestly. I was really hoping for something that's a little more authentic cranberry. This is very red, but it's not dessert. I guess it's cranberry. You know what it reminds me of? So B-Men, it's in this theme, at least for me in the introduction. B-Men, Black Excess by Paco Rabanne also has this synthetic kind of red, almost like a, not a powder, like almost a cotton candy powdered juice type of red. Diesel Fuel for Life also has that, like a strawberry synthetic opening. It's much nicer now that it's toned down a bit, and it's definitely not in the B-Men side, but it's in the same family, I think. Coffee, hardly there. I can smell some sort of a rougher backbone in the back end here of this redness. and some very unfamiliar sweet or familiar sweetness, like kind of like a fake tonka bean type of look. So at the end of the day, again, Black Excess by Paco Rabanne, and it's weird that these things are just popping up. Black Excess from Paco Rabanne, B-Men, what was the third one? Diesel Fuel for Life. I prefer the diesel out of all these. I think this is closer to a Black Excess by Paco Rabanne than the other two. Coffee, as of now, again, this is just an initial impression. Disappointing. Cranberry, no, it's more like I feel like it's more of a cotton candy. It has this like almost dryness to it, almost powdered form, almost type of thing, cotton candy, maybe like a powdered fruit punch, which heavy on the red berries type of thing. I could see that like a powdered almost, but it's not powdery, but it has that texture to it. So at the end of the day, yeah, it's, I don't know, like I don't think this is I wouldn't try to find another bottle of this. This is not something, it'll be good for the collection, but it's not really impressing me so much that I don't know, the cranberry and the coffee were the two major players here. If they were well done, maybe I'd be looking at the other ones. Now, it's just so lost in the sea of so many fragrances. I don't know about this one. It's okay. I can't wait to delve more into it and see what it gives me, but right now it's very lukewarm. And it's okay as a reviewer to have lukewarm reviews. They can't just be all sky high and way down in the garbage. It's an okay release. I don't think it's worthy of a hype. It's definitely not worth like people asking $200-300 for a bottle. Forget that noise. So now that you heard my take, I'd love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think about this discontinued fragrance? Did you own it? Maybe let us know more about this release and maybe more about the dry down of it, since I can't give you any thoughts right now. And as always, a great report fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.